Hello viewers, how are you doing out there? Hope you are doing great. It's me again, Rafi Yakub. I welcome you back to part 2 of our desk calendar design in Corel X5. So if you have not watched the part 1 of this design, please check my channel to see the part 1 of this calendar design so that you can understand the basic of all the design. So now, the second part of this design has to do with generating of our calendar and some other necessary design we are going to input as far as this design is concerned. So the first thing we are going to do now is to go to text. When you click on text tools, and you now type, so this particular calendar is January 2019, okay, and press Ctrl A, highlight your text, and go to your font size and increase it to whatever choice you like. So having done that, then you go to your font style and pick the nature of font style you like. So in this one now, I'm using the numbers. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to go to your my pen tools and get a stroke, shift key and drag it down, double click on it to create a stroke. Go back to my pick tools and resize the stroke. Right, so let me take this one at the top, right, so the stroke will be behind it. Right, so we need to shift this particular shape here, highlight it like this way. Right, then with your arrow key, just move it front a little bit. So that we can have enough space as far as this calendar is concerned. Right, so the next thing to do now is to type again 2019. Press Ctrl A to highlight, then select your font style, then increase the font size to, let's see, 72%. And go back to the pick tools and take it to this particular place. Right, next thing is to type. Go back to your text tools and type January. Right, press Ctrl A to highlight it, then change the font style to, in this case now I'm using Nexa bold, and now take it at the bottom of 19, something like this, and we can fill this color with sky blue. Right, we can fill this one with blue while we leave the 2019 that way. Okay, we need a guide ruler, everything must be in the center, so we need to take this one up like this, and we need to resize our stroke. Okay, and we can delete our guide ruler back. Alright, so the next thing we are going to do now is to generate our calendar. So how are we going to do that? Go back to tools, you get to tools, go to Macron. So when you get to Macron, go to Run Macron. So when you get to Macron, something like this is going to pop up. So all you have to do is to come to this place, select Calendar Wizard. Once you select Calendar Wizard, then you click on Run. You wait for a dialog box to appear like this. So now you can select the particular month you want. Then come to this place, click on Expand so that you can see the entire of your working area. So now the next thing to do is to do normal format of our calendar. We can start from the header. So increase the font size, and you can decide to take away all the header outline. So having done that, you can decide to take away the month since we have already typed it. Change the month color to white so that it does not appear. Change it from black to white. It's not appear again. Okay. So the next thing we are going to do now is to work on the header. So you come to this place. So you can change the font style to whatever of your choice. Then you can increase the font size as well. So once you are done, then you click on OK. Then another thing you can do here is that you can decide to take away the border also. Something like this. Then the next thing you can do here also, you can decide to short the header. You can use short form. When you use short form, this is what you are going to get. Then also you can increase the text if you are not comfortable with it, or you can change the color of the text if you are not comfortable with it. So another thing you can do here is that you come to the Sunday button here, you increase the font size to same thing with the other one. Then you make sure that you select your font type, then you click on everything that's been rhymed. Okay, so now let's move to large body. Click on this large body column here. You can decide to take away all the outline, something like this, right, the below line. So now you can decide to increase the body font size. Come to this place and increase it to whatever size you like. You can change the font also. Try Lato. Okay, I'm using Lato bold. Okay, I'm using Lato bold. Then the size is 24, and you click on OK. All right. So the next thing you can do here is that you can come to text position here. Click on this drop down box. Then you select center. Everything will move to center. So another thing you can do here is that you can take away the moon faces. Everything will disappear. So once you are done with your setting, then you are good to go. Then all you have to do is to click on generate. Okay, so as far as this is concerned, okay, we have not worked on Sunday column. Then you go back to Sunday column, you change it from 9th to, I think we use 24 for the body. Okay, we use 16. So 16, then Lato as a font style. Then we use 16 at the font size. You click on OK. We actually use, okay, we use 24. Okay, go back there and increase it to 24. And once you are done, you click on OK. So everything is going to update. Then we use Lato. Then you come to font style, Lato. Use Lato bold. and you click on OK. So now everything has been set, everything has been equal. So once you are done, then you click on generate. So you wait for some minutes to generate your calendar. So once you are generate finished, this is what you are going to get. Then you click on OK. Then you can now close this shape. Now we are back to our sketch. So what I'm going to do here now is I will just resize this particular shape, shift key and drag in, just to place it here. Shift key and drag in. Right, so this is where I need the calendar. So another thing I can do here is that you zoom out document and see how far you have positioned your calendar. Right click on it, choose order, then to back of layer, right click on it again, click on it again, order to back of layer. I think the order has been complete. Okay, so the next thing we can do here is to type the contact detail of the company and some other necessary information for this particular design. Okay, I need some sketch, shape tools, close your node here, close your node here. Close your node here. Close your node here. Okay, so now we can fill this color with blue, and we fill this color with sky blue, then highlight everything this way, then right click on it, take away the outline color. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to type in all the company information. Right, so go back to your text tools, type telephone number, contact address, email, and so on and so forth. But before we do that, let's quickly do some design at the top here. So you go to your rectangle tools, drag and drop like this. Right, so you can decide to fill this one with blue. All right, so when you do that, then at the top here you can now type another thing, Sunday. So you press Ctrl A to highlight it, then you select your font style. I'm using Nexa bold, and we'll reduce the size to 16. Right, we now take it inside the shape, and you can change the color to white. Right, so now we are going to duplicate it. You highlight this way, then you need a guide ruler like this. Then when you highlight this way, then you press Ctrl D to duplicate it and put it here. Right, so the next thing we are going to do now is to change the type to Monday. Press Ctrl A to highlight Monday. Right, so you can take it in So we need to reduce the font size to 14 so that it can take every single type. 14th. All right, so you can duplicate this one also. Control D, place it here. All right, type Tuesday. All right. And position this one. So this is how you type everything until you get to Saturday. Okay, so let us zoom in the entire document. Go to zoom and see how the outlook is going to look nice. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like when you do every other thing. So one more thing I'm going to do here is that I will duplicate this shape, shift key, then press Ctrl G to group it. So having done that, then you click on Ctrl Z on your keyboard and Ctrl V on your keyboard. So it's going to duplicate. Then the next thing I'm going to do is that you press shift key and click on the background shape. Then once you do that, then you go to arrange, go to alignment and distribution. And when you get to there, you align it at the top left. Okay, align it at the top here. So you go back to align again, align, and okay, we have done. Then the next thing we are going to do is that I will rotate this one to mirror vertical, then mirror horizontal. So then now shift key, or you just drag it in a little bit, something like this. And just drag it in. So we have our desk calendar January 2019 design perfectly. So I hope you learn one or two things in this design. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more design tips and tricks in CorelDraw, Photoshop. Thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye.